Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to use Viber for beginners. Now, if you want to get Viber on your phone, if Apple or Android device, doesn't matter, go to the store, Play Store, or App Store, same thing, and search for Viber, right? So go here, and this is going to be it, Rakuten Viber Messenger. Just download and install. Once you're done, tap open. Now, it's going to automatically have your number. So if you want to call, right, you're all set. So it's going to ask permission to access your phone numbers, your messages, everything, media, so photos, videos, etc. After that, you'll be all set. And here, you're going to see some options of call. You're going to have some options for contacts, for example, Viber out call, which is credits. You need credits, right? Free Viber call is as is. You know, you can use Viber to call this person, and you're going to see that, you know, some are available for Viber call, which is free. The cyan or Viber call out, you actually need credits again, like what I said. After that, you go to the marketplace. There are some options here where you can just search for services and products, where you can buy beauty products, clothing, etc., etc. You can also do pay, so which is upcoming. And when it comes to chat, of course, you can just chat with any person here in your contacts, or if you want to search for groups and whatnot, like this one, World of Dogs. So you can just talk to people here. And yeah, that's pretty much how Viber goes. It's a texting, messaging, and calling app that many people have been using for a long time now. And yeah, pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.